What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to learn how to play Stay Gold by Bryson Tiller, and here is a preview of what it's going to sound like.
Don't you know, girl, you cold, I just might lose control. You know we're tied by soul, more than worth your weight in gold, gold.
So as you can see here, I have my capo on the first fret, and everything I teach is relative to the capo. You're going to need to know 5 chords throughout the entire song, and those 5 chords are A major 7, E major 7, C sharp minor 7, G sharp minor 7, and F sharp minor 7. Alright, and here's how you play the chords. Alright guys, here we are. First chord is A major 7, so we're going to put our finger on the first fret of the G string, the second fret of the D, and the B string, and it will sound like this. Alright, second chord is an E major 7. We're going to put our fingers on the first fret of the G and the D string, and the second fret of the A string. It's going to sound like this. Third chord is C sharp minor 7. We're going to bar the 4th fret and put our fingers on the 5th fret of the B and the 6th fret of the D string. It's going to sound like this. And then we have a G sharp minor 7. So what I'm doing here in this song is I'm just barring the entire 4th fret, and I'm only utilizing the low E, D, G, and B string. It's going to sound like this. Okay, you don't necessarily need to bar the entire fret. You can just use these 4 fingers to place them on each individual string, but that is just my preference. And then the last chord that we have is an F sharp minor 7, so we're going to do the exact same thing, but we're going to take it down to the 2nd fret, and it's going to sound like this. Okay, and those are the 5 chords. Now what I'm doing here is I'm just plucking the 4 strings in the middle for the first chord. Same thing with the second chord. Same thing with the third chord. And then for the 4th and the 5th chord, I'm using the low E string instead of the A string. Okay, and if you want to, you can add different elements to it. If you want to do hammer on, hammer offs, anything of that nature, feel free to do that to spice things up. But if you want to think of it in 4 counts, it's going to be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you repeat it again. Okay, so that is how you play the song. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching and tapping into this tutorial. Hopefully it helps you out in some sort of way. If it did, please go ahead and comment down below, like this video, and share it with somebody that wants to learn this song. Also, while you are here, please go ahead and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you want more videos and tutorials like this. And right now there's going to be some videos that are going to pop up on the screen. Feel free to check out any of these other videos, and I will see you guys on the next one.